Do you know when you sneeze, mucus is sprayed from the mouth in the form of germ-infested gas cloud at a speed of 35 meters per second that is good enough to give you a speeding ticket on the road. Once released, it breaks down into different size droplets. The bigger droplets can travel up to a distance of 2 meters and smaller droplets can travel up to a distance of 8 meters, and the gas can stay sustained in the air for up to 10 minutes, carrying all potential pathogens which could be risky for others. So let us cover our nose and mouth properly while sneezing, at least for others' sake. Do share this video across and let's educate everyone. And follow me for more such videos on health.